I see them. You got 2 cans?
Got 2 cans.
Holy moly, bro.
We're gonna take care of them.
We got a lady that's got some wasps around her pool, and she was like, you think you can get them? Like, I know we can get them. And here we found them.
Right here.
This stuff is gonna kill them on contact. All right, we're getting ready to do this. You ready? And just like that, that's how you do it.
It's all done.
Listen, ain't nothing to be afraid of when you're a professional. We can look around.
Yeah.
I don't see none up underneath it. A lot of times they'll get up underneath these railings.
We like using this Wasp Freeze because once you spray any wasp or flying insect with it, it kills them immediately. It literally freezes them up. We love this stuff. We buy it by the cases. Our mission statement is to provide the most outstanding pest control service experience ever. So that's why we're just not here to kill one wasp nest. We're gonna look around and see if there's any more. And a matter of fact, Lamar found one small one on the eave in the back, and he went ahead and got that. I didn't get it on video because he's quick, man. He is quick.
Got some mud daubers. Those mud daubers, all they do is make a mess. Wow, look at that old security camera. Oh, they die instantly. With that stuff, they die instantly. Some nice boots you got on, dude.
Oh, thank you. Good friend of mine gave me those.
Amen. Man, I was saying that's some nice boots he's got on.
Hey, I got a video about saving $150 with this DIY wasp killer. Go check it out right here. It's awesome. It kills wasps instantly, and you do it with a household item that I promise you, you already got in your house. So go check it out.
Could you do me a favor and check the top of that?
That gutter?
Yes.
Yeah.
That thing.
Whoa, yeah, yeah, woo!
Yeah, sorry.
No, you're fine, you're fine.
He's the one that went and beat on him.
Aha.
Let them settle down, let them settle down.
Cheers.
You got a ladder?
Yeah.
Let's go get a ladder.
You need one?
We got one. Woo!
You know, I knew I kept seeing them out here, but I was thinking they were just flying over, but then I've heard pinging.
Man, we were looking around, I didn't see them. None of them were flying or anything.
No.
Wow.
There was one flying.
They are ticked off.
Really?
Yeah, they're mad. Wow.
So that's why I've been hearing.
We already walked around this property, didn't see any. Homeowner was like, hey, check this little gutter over here. I started banging on it and they started flying out. Almost got me. Now Lamar's got the ladder out. Let's let him settle down just a little bit more, Lamar.
Yeah, because that's a funky place.
Lamar, are you in the mood to get stung today?
Oh no, never in the mood for that. Thanks for stirring them up, Mac.
Hey, thanks for noticing that and keeping an eye on it, letting us know. We're going to take care of that too. The last thing we want is for you to get stung.
Not awake yet. That's why I'm like, oh yeah, I keep hearing pinging over
Yeah.
there. But I got a metal roof, so everything pings off of it. I don't want to go get my eyes dilated.
Let them settle down.
Inside that gutter.
They're inside that gutter?
Yeah, I can't even see the nest yet.
You know what? Set that ladder up right here. What?
Maybe you can do the other side.
If you wanted to move anything, you're welcome to. Okay, but
Well, we're just trying not to get stung here.
I know.
The crazy thing is we were just talking about getting stung by wasps today in the office. We had all our stories about how we were doing something and we got attacked by wasps.
Got me in the middle of the back one time because I, idiot me, the spray I have just
There it
like
is.
a little.
You see it?
Yeah.
Let me get up over there.
Going back inside. Just like my chest.
Yeah, you need to go inside. There it is. Oh, they're oh, they're mad. They mad. That's all right.
Hey, listen, while we're letting them settle down just a little bit, I was telling them earlier, it's funny because in the office we were all telling our wasp stories and how we were getting stung and how things like that happen. And I got stung in the back of the neck one time. Whenever I was doing a termite treatment, I was drilling into the home and that vibration, I guess, riled them up. And I didn't recognize a big wasp nest up in the eave. And man, I'm telling you, Lamar, they came down, they started tagging me in the back of the head. They hurt. And you know exactly what I did? I said, I got something for you. I went to the truck and got that Wasp Freeze, knocked them out just like that.
But we got a couple of them right here. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 5 of them standing on guard right now, waiting. They got their eye on us. You know what? We go ahead and knock them out. Let me say that thing. We're gonna go ahead and knock them out. How far do you think I'm away from this right now?
What, about 15 foot?
See that one stuck on there? He died right there on that thing. Done.
They go.
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. All right, we got them.
You said they gone. I was like,
Okay. I was just double checking. I'm like, I don't.
hey, Mr. Roberts trying to catch you, honey.
Here.
Hey, Mr. Roberts out there trying to check.
I'll get it. I'll get it.
He lives down the street. He's walking with like 90.
Come on, buddy.
Sure.
He got away from the old man.
Yeah, the old man.
Where's he at? Hey, we got you. We got him. Good boy. Let's go see Dad. Come on. Come on. Come on.
No, go that way.
Come on. He's strong. He's strong.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He's a good boy.
You're not doing well.
Yeah. You doing all right?
No, I'm not doing good. I gotta put him in the car and take if I ain't got a car though. How you doing, girl?
Hi, honey. Are you all right?
No. I had put the chain on the other dog
Yeah.
and he broke loose and took off running.
We need a different.
I gotta get him back up to the second house from the corner.
The gray house?
Killing me.
Yeah.
Can you put him? Can you get in this car?
Yeah, I can drive you back over
Oh,
there.
thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Will he ride in the back of the truck?
Yeah, I don't know about the back, but he'll ride in the front of it.
Oh, I know.
Oh.
Your mama's at work.
Easy boy, easy boy. Where house is yours?
To the second house, like gray house down there. So I get him down, I can hook him up and he'll be all right.
Hey guys, if y'all got any questions about wasps or any other insect, termites, ants, roaches, fleas, bed bugs, hey, just let me know. Put any comments down in the section below. I'd love to get back with you. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. You guys are awesome, and thank you for watching this video.